Hi Mrs Mitchell's group, this is your third lesson this week and we'll be looking at pictograms today. Here we've got two different types of pictograms. We've got types of transport: walk, bicycle, car, bus, tram, train or other. And this is really important on a pictogram. This is the key and it shows that one picture represents two children. But over here we've got the same options: walk, bicycle, car, bus, tram, train, other, but the key is different. So this time one circle represents 4 children. So thinking about one circle equals 4, so half of a circle is going to equal 2. So each quarter of a circle will equal 1. So this equals 1. Half of your circle equals 2. And 3/4 of your circle equals 3. And the whole circle equals 4. Whereas over here, it's just that a whole circle equals 2 and half a circle equals 1. See if you can answer these questions. How many children from this pictogram walked to school? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 plus 1, half of a circle. So it's 13 children walked to school. How many children from this pictogram went to school by car? It's 2, 4 plus half a circle is 1. So that's 5 children went to school by car. How many children went to school by tram? So 2 plus 1, so 3 children went to school by tram. Let's now have a look at this pictogram. How many children walked on this pictogram? So this is 4, so it's 4, 8, 12, and this represents 1, it's a quarter of the circle. So it's 13 children walked. How many children went by bike? So it's one circle which represents 4 on this pictogram, so 4 children went to school by bike. How many children went to school by bus? So this represents 4 plus half a circle represents 2, so 4 plus 2 equals 6. And it's showing the same information on both pictograms, but just represented in different ways. Now we've got a different pictogram, so we've got a picture showing apples, bananas and oranges, and there's no key here, which means that one picture represents one item. Have a go at answering these questions. How many children like apples? So 5 children like apples. Which is the least popular fruit? The least popular is the fruit that people don't like as much. So we're looking at the shortest tower of fruits. So bananas and oranges are the least popular fruits. And how many children voted altogether? So if you add up all the fruits, 11 children voted altogether. So the next question is, part of this pictogram is missing. 8 people voted for strawberries, 6 voted for pear, and 3 voted for grapes. How many children voted altogether, including votes for apples, bananas, and oranges? Pause the video while you work it out. Okay, so I've got 5 apples, 3 bananas, 3 oranges, which we've already worked out is 11. So we've got 11 so far. We need to add on 8 strawberries, 6 pears, and 3 grapes. Can I see any number bonds here? Well, 6 add 3 makes 9, and 9 add 11 is 20 plus 8. So 28 children voted all together. Now have a look at this pictogram. Now each circle represents 2 children. So if you have half a circle like this, then that represents 1 child. So have a go at answering these questions. How many children like blue? How many children liked red, blue and pink? How many votes did the most popular colour receive? How many children voted altogether? And what is the difference in the number of votes for green and red? Pause the video while you answer these questions. So how many children like blue? We've got 2, 4, 6, plus 1. The answer is 7. How many children liked red, blue and pink? So red we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. Blue we've got 2, 4, 6, add 1 is 7. And pink we've got 2, 4, 6. So 8 add 7 is 15 plus 6 equals 21. How many votes did the most popular colour receive? The most popular colour was yellow, but the question says how many votes did it receive? So 2, 4, 6, 8 plus 1 more equals 9. How many children voted all together? So we've got 8 and blue and pink, that made 21. We need to add on the green and the yellow. So the yellow was 9, 21 plus 9 is 30, plus green is 35. What is the difference in the number of votes for green and red? So green is 5 and red equals 8. So to find the difference you need to do a takeaway. So you either do 5 add what makes 8 or 8 take away 5, and the difference is 3. This is the last slide for today. Use this data to create your own pictogram. Remember to label both axes and to give your pictogram a title. You might want to also do a key, so maybe one picture could represent 2 animals or even 4 animals, or you might want to just keep it to 1 animal. So the pets are fish, cats, rabbits and dogs, and the number of votes is 4, 11, 7 and 12. Please take a picture and email it to me. See you tomorrow.